Details determine success or failure. Attitude makes perfection. Observe the needs of the marketplace while constantly innovating. Continue to enhance technical expertise while becoming the industry leader. Chaosheng Machinery Company Limited. Chaosheng Machinery Company Limited. Founded in Tainan, Taiwan in 1982, CSM is a tube bending machinery manufacturer now recognized worldwide for our professionalism and persistence. In order to accommodate the growth of our business, CSM relocated to the Southern Taiwan Science Park in 2005 and opened the second production facility in 2012. Since our founding, CSM has been dedicated to research and innovation to provide clients the best quality possible and exceed their expectations. From design to production to assembly to packaging to delivery and post-sale service, CSM demands the best from ourselves. We believe that our insistence on quality adds value to our products, and this helps our clients become more competitive in the marketplace. Our products include fully automated CNC bending machines, semi-automated NC bending machines, symmetrical bending machines, wire bending machines, circular sawing machines, end forming machines, and much more tube working machinery. CSM manufactures its full range of bending machinery with our very own patented planetary gearing system, which provides high efficiency and accuracy and is light and compact, reducing the amount of energy required and the burden on the environment. Our machinery can accommodate tube widths from 6 mm up to 254 mm, implemented in a wide range of industries, including automotive parts manufacturing, rail transport, aviation, shipbuilding, electricity generation, boiler making, petrochemical, public construction, furniture, healthcare, gym utilities, air conditioning, and more. CSM has always been focusing on innovation and gaining greater proficiency, achieving ISO 9002 certification in 1998 and ISO 9001 certification in 2002. CSM holds 24 design patents in Taiwan and internationally, and all of the machinery we produce is CE certified. In addition, CSM has garnered Taiwan Excellence Awards in 2003 and 2010, National Innovation Awards in 2002 and 2006, as well as the CITD plus SBIR Research Grant in 2007. Since 2010, CSM has become the supplier of the widest and most complete array of CNC tube bending machinery in the world, solidifying our place as a leader in our industry. Facing the rapidly changing world of the 21st century, CSM is ready to take on new challenges and cement our place as a leader in the field of tube bending machinery in our quest to achieve the highest quality and create increased value for our clients through our technical expertise and abundant experience. We also strive to be environmentally conscious. As we continue to grow each day along with our clients, we'll make breakthroughs in all respects too.